Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Mayong buntag sa tanan akong followers, viewers and supporters. Guys, pabalik na kami ng Davao City. So we are so thankful to the management of Jits Tavern Resort. Located ni siya sa Baganihan, Marilog District, Davao City. This is our cottage guys. Dito ako natulog, ang inyong lingkod. Itong view nila. This is the cottages. Maganda, sobrang ganda. Pababa na ako guys. Dala-dala ko ng gamit ko. This one. Pababa na kami kasi mag-lunch kami hanap pa kami ng restaurant dito. Thank you to the Jits Tavern Resort Management. Thank you to Kuya Larry Carmen.